Nagabenta ki khubor ba man kasni pet but subscribe ya u an Speech and Hearing Center umnyo kwan riboy kilawan ra ka jingmen ki kimi ki pa ba ka skul baro ka na ka jing pass matrik ki khynnah ka te ka skul. Ka skul Ferrando Speach and Hearing Center ka de ka bakar pang ki khynnah baduna ha ka jinglong bormet bad khormet ya ka ba u Blei ula thau kerpang. Ya ketika skul la itu kerpang kum ka inclusive school henry ka shimlang ki wei par ki babiang ki jinglong men kum ba ong ki bade ki normal student. Na kalian ka skul ka bla yok het ya ka result ka babha ka SSLC result arhajar arpsan ha ka baki khynnah balit tho exam ki long khat khandai ngun ki pas khat nyongun ki ba khlem lat ki don arngun. Ki khynnah bom yo sngo bat omla ban grandson ngun pa saw ngun I wei pat yo ndru pu wei point san po person bat yo distinction ye ka help pra marks. Arngut ki de ki khynnah with locomotor impairment ki pas Iwei iyo san khandai point lai pulai person iwei pat iyo san puwei point san po person. Sipongut ki papas de ki khynnah ba yo sngo iwei iyo khandai puwei point khat ndru person sa iwei pat iyo prapulai person. Ya ka result lapen mi mena ka santrik uya yong bon ki khynnah kim don hashilong kidang let shuti on dalami ka result ka skul ning ba ka principal ka sister Ada Runtathiang kala pentip shaki ba ka khatwei trik uya yong baro ki khynnah ki bala pas kilawan Ainguh Blei ye kinong hikai bat ye ki para khynnah skul ban ne kmen bat ban Ainguh Blei khatdu sha ba kenet pulino shawei. Ki khynnah ki bala pas bha ki long udai ko savior ubam lat kren but bom yo sngo ki score uyo ki marks pra ha ka subject health education but ka percentage nrupuwei point san po percent. Utei lam prang shabong ubab la banyan bahap shan de ki ding shan uyo hadu san po khandai point lai percent. Ka Nazarin nong klau ka bakot san puwei point san po percent ka ham silat susyang ka yo khandai puwei point khat ndru percent ka safinia thank you ka yo prapulai percent khndiat ulat pathai khubor udon ban wanra ya ka jingkran jungi khynnah ki ba pas ki ba kran da ki dak action bat ki khynnah school ki ya kamen ki ya risa.
The sisters, the teachers, and our dear students. So today we are here to celebrate the success of our class 10 students who have made us proud with their excellent results. Your hard work, dedication, and determination have truly paid off. We are proud of each and every one of you. Let us now facilitate our shining stars and wish them all the best for their future. I now invite our dear principal, Sister Ada Runtathiang, to kindly facilitate our star performers with the shawl and a badge.
and you, my dear students, and especially for this class 10, who have been successfully get a good result and coming out with a flying color, and to show the good example to the younger ones. So we are very proud of you. Congratulations.
And good morning, my teachers, and to all my dear friends. First of all, I thank God. I was also able to write well my exams through the help of God. And then my teacher also helped me a lot in my studies.
Short message ba kum yaki disable ngimdi ban long bangin pet lakajong mo long di ban pet lang kaju kum bangin pet yaki badi ba long normal ngimdi ban pet o tei bam mla ban le katu ngimdi ban skam no ki bo ni le shi katu ba long in long different about chungku namang hindi ban long ini communicate lang ini long on mo dengim lang long hindi ban long ingin try kinyo kakamay kam namar ban subuh sahing kalong ka jingim kalalong lalong dalalong kam long shashu kalong bet aslong baset be kamra along kumbalong hajir asusong be kamra kawai la penbiang bet la share kindan shu kin bahiyang masam be kin penbiang mana bakin pe yaki ang ta kin long be yaki ri ke habai ka ban long ka future i bakin la bakin pe chakman ya tahi ba ba panai. Thank you. Bula ay nga kalat bangan tho exam bula ay nga bangan one sa school. Ba anak man ay Blei pa bula idan ni kad na da hadu akan damta bangan one exam ada kemaki ngama bangan one sa school ada keman buat school. Pak ngin kuliah. Oh kairap ini kairap sibun sa jamada. Kalai bang ngalalaban dengan saja sila jauh bangan pet nantu bangan sim bangan kuliah kan no bangan kuliah banabok ban kopi ba hinu balai ini de tangkatai.
Good morning, everyone, to all the sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. So first of all, I thank God, all the teachers and principal, all the teachers who encouraged me, support me before the exam began. They were encouraging me. So before writing the exam, also this was my first time. I was feeling scared. So even my parents also encouraged me that don't be scared when you write the exam, be confident. So when you be confident, you will not forget everything. Also when you write exam first, you put a prayer for God so that it will help you. Then even we get that book from CM. So we study from that book also. We are not depend only on that book, even from the teachers also. Teachers also teach us, but we do not depend on that much from that book. So that book also, it helped us, but not that much. So teachers also teach us so much things we get from the teachers, sisters, even from the parents also. Because teachers are our second parents who teach us, who encourage us from small till we grown up now also. So we also thank all the teachers and the principal and my family who helped me. Thank you.
Dear teachers and friends, we all know that we passed, right? So to pass, like to write matrik, we have to compete all over Meghalaya. It's not only the school. So you have to work hard thoroughly, like you have to study more give more attention to your studies. So me, why I came to this school, because I have one of my cousin is having hearing loss. So I came here so that I will be able to communicate with him. And coming here also is also a blessing for me, because at the same time also I learn sign language also to study here. So to give you some message, you also, especially this class 10, this present class 10, you have to work hard, give more attention to your studies so that you will pass. Don't think that if you got here, if you get high marks, you'll be able to get outside also. But you will have to work hard more and more. So I would like to also thank all teachers who have been teaching me, guiding me, encouraging me since I came here. Since 2018, I was in class 4. And also, since I was studying nursery in my village, I would also like to thank all those teachers in my village. The name of the school is Plum Phan Plong. I would like to also thank my auntie, who is the principal of that school. Her name is Evelyn Chiang. And also, I started from there. I got little knowledge, but this school is more important for me because I learned a lot here. So one thing you should have is that to never give up. Even if you fail one time, you have to try more and more. Thank you.
Tanyakan ba iwi na kena skul sendiri patoi ka exam SSLC ba yo ba dei pamla ban yo snow but yo distinction haka education de nama ba imla banwan sendiri ba di nama ni pute ni siakan ling baka video kakerteng jonga kaldei daikhu sevia ngaladap khat news nam kakata but ipa jonga iketeng ipesi Ashiri and but ini jonga iketeng PH Rizia ngawan napo ngade naman itu but nga tap puli hangri apo Ferrando nadu pa ke kelas nursery aku po bang ngalong nervous but ngatieng namal pa ngaklempon ukhat bangan la ban pa thakani ka exam pen po bang ayo result ngalong surprise ngafil ngo sarong bat kemen amal pa ngalayo ban result ke bapa bat ngapa ka education distinction but not continue ban study higher but ban debha hakajing im jonga kalong pangakwa banlong pilot lada kadan chance yang ke bang sotenat kade ka subject health education di syong ban pulit kon nyo kenta hakasisni kata lai kenta hakam performance step but
Jo ngadai mes sidalen kurba ti ngalahi kayang ni lakhat nyong senam ti gisok komen kata-kata mentau senam nama kajing pas ba jong ki khynnah ki pas 100% te babuan ki khynnah ki yo ki pas ba ki subject jan baro khamtam ya ka social science mo kaju manu senam ande ngi menta don ki khynnah jongi ki yo distinction ti ka pelong ni ki nahi ka ngi kemen ba mentau senam ngi kajing la ba jong khynnah ngi kajing minam om tang bakilak baha kan final ringi iro ya ke jiminat ke jongki haman laki exam haman laki term ka penlong ro yaki bakilak baha ha ke final lalu tak kasngi so kemen hadu kata-kata barno kino hikai rangkat bat sisters hang ni ngidap dak kejing kemen bakrau ba mo tau senam shisha de senam jo jengker ko bi khana kilo ra borom ka skul balkom juro yaki no hikai bat kum juru khynnah mentau senem buon ba kira pas bah kia le khandai ngot borok khandai ngot kia pas lot bat bayo first division kidai ngot bat ki bayo second division arngot bat bayo simple pass tang iwe ti buon na ki yo distinction dan borok ki subject handai iwe ibade ihi kamot bamla banyo sngau ibaduna ya kabor junyo sngau handai ma iru yo first division but yo distinction ru ya ka health education kanong isu kemen hadu kata-kata badon say iwe ru bari simple pass ma iru la tresitam ma iru ipas baha bat kum juru kanong kemen nadu bang la tre hang ni la khan nyau senem ho ka skul jungi kadai ka skul ni kong tang na banta ki khna ki badon ka jingduna ka bor yo sngau ki bamla ban kren hanrei nadu senem arat za khan riu ngilayo inclusive kamut ba ngila preng lot ya barro ki khna but ki differently able student kum juru ki bayo sngau bar ngi ka competition ha padeng jongki habangi teng teng ki kamsta teman kini ki disabled student habangi compare bat kum juru ngai kata ka jing ya trailang jongki cooperation jongki ngi ba kini ki hearing ki badai khna ki bayo sngau ki rap ha ki khna ki bam yo sngau man la kapor ngi kadang kata ka jing communication jongki nama ba ni school jongi dan artli ki language kawai gede ki english language kawai gede ka sign language ka bamut ba ki abcd kan hakti kumki khna ba ki kran ki prangkam ya kakti haba ki kran le she ai phile kumno phipule kot ayu phile ayu la de bam ki shule da ka sign language te ka tu ka dai ka language ka ba ki khna ki bam yo sngau ba khna ki bam la kran ki prangkam ha school jongi ngiru ki nong ka ha classroom kalong kumba ha ki school khasi mo naka english ni translate chaka khasi hangni ro ngi le kumta hanre ngi translate naka english saka sign language ka chi kai jungi ni kalong double ka we ngi ha ban kren bat baar ngi ha ban le ka sign language ka badai ka action bun na padang ki brio jungi ki tek mo sha phang ka sign language ka de ke ai hanre ka dei ka ba man la ki kentian naka textbook ngi don ya ijong i sign language ka don ru ka khep don ka banta ka ba ngim la ban ai sign mo man la ki kentian hanre ngi persang ki khna kumno bagi ra ya ka tu kentian bagi snai ka to khnang ba ki khna ke su thu ya ke ai ka bagi nei kai ki batai ba kam dei re ka basuk habangi don ka inclusive education po school namar ha ka wi ka classroom la include baro ki khna ki bayo sngau ki bam la banyo sngau ki bam la kran hanrei ban hikai hang ne ka de challenge ka dei ru ka ba blei la jiet yangi bingin tan hang ne bat kam dei ka basuk ki khna jungi hang ne watla ki myo sngau ro ne ki persang kat la kat yai ban keren lada kim pan mi ka sun ro hanrei ban keren ka santur gi jupet ro ingi kina hikai da ka livrit mo ki pe ka santur bangi ngi keren ko juru ki hape ya ke ai ka action ne ka sign language bangi ngi hikai nak ta ka daw ban hikai yang ne ni dei sa kina hikai la kar khu kadai ke jengkar khu sisa nga syap la de ba na du bang la tar yang ne ubri la kar khu yang namar ba dang ba ka jengkar khu jong blei ngasala ka ban tar yang ne mentala khan nyong senem baru akramen ru nakapor be khna jangi ko magi pas ba man tau senem kenang ya pas usu na wei senem cha wei pan bat ka wei ka mase cha ban ai ki khna walada phide ki khna ki badan jing duna ha ki no ki benta henry wan sakhamat ka jing puli kam thoi no no henry ka school jungi ka don ya ka language bi ka sign language phila ban wan ha ka school jungi nginya ra pe phi ha man ki khap bar kum juru walada ki khna ki omla ban yo snuru ki don ka benefit kawai ka benefit ka dei ka english language but kawai ka benefit phila ban yo ka dei ka sign language bat kumni hero advice ki student jongi phidi minot na ka post ka por kumba kini ki khna mentau snem kon ra ka nam ka borom jong ka school khamtam ki nong hikai ba khamtam ki ka sem jong ki bat yal rehi bat ru ngo ongi khna jongi bat ki wei ru ki khna ka jing pule kam khang yano ba ka jing dok ru kam la ban khang la phidon kalan ti ngite ba wei khna udon ya ka thong udon ya ka aims in life te kumno ban poi sha ka thong halati ya bengen poi sha ka thong ki don bon ki jing ki don bon ki pen kyang tingi hap kan ban ya lang ba ki to bat lada khlem ka jing don jong blai in om la ban poi sha ka thong te khna ba nga sukwa ban ai phi kan ka advice yedi ban bo ya jisu sha khamat Jisu di berlong drai barah ka jeng im jongi. Rangi bu berbor jisu syakmat kamot baro ke kinyaj bajaranti bangin siok kai so jong ka jing jam. Dai khana ke dawan ning kong ha classroom kam dei masuk. Kumno bakin communicate bat ki khana ke mla banyo sngaw ki khana ke mla ki bam la ban karen. Dia maki ru kisam jeng ha bagi song lang po classroom. Kumno banyakan bat ki andai suki kini khana ki wan ki bang shuan thamai ro ki badai ki bang patnang ya ka sign language ki ha ban learn ya ka sign language. Da ka bakal ki learn ka sign language ki ba ka sign language ka dei ka medium